Ninjas. This is your girl Maya, and today we are talking about the shrimp squat. Check it out. Woo! So this one squat variation is so intense, challenging, and yet beneficial because we are working the front of the leg, the quads, the back of the legs, the hamstrings, the glutes, as well as your core and ankle stability, ankle mobility, hip mobility, all in one, while correcting muscle imbalances because of the single-legged nature. I freaking love this exercise, so I'm going to show you how to get there, how to regress the movement, how to make it a little bit harder, and stay till the end. I'm going to give you a challenge. I want to know, can you do it? Here we go. If you haven't already, please subscribe, press that bell, share this video with all your friends, and let's build this channel so we can spread the love for movement and joy for fitness all around the world. So now, let's talk about the shrimp squat. Yo, this ain't for no wuss, man. You don't need any weight to make this so extra challenging. Reason being is because all the focus is on the front leg as well as the mobility and strength required to stand up on that front leg while maintaining upright posture. So there's a lot of stuff going on. So the goal here, the ultimate goal is to grab the leg, grab one leg in a standing quad stretch, and then what you're gonna do is with the standing leg, you are gonna squat down on that while letting this knee touch, and then standing up just on that one single leg. Damn! So this is what it looks like. Grab the leg, tuck it in, enjoy that quad stretch, slowly go down, touching the knee, and then standing back up. So this leg did all the work. This one has to be fully engaged, core is on. You're gonna see that one leg is a lot stronger than the other, and that's why I love single-legged exercises to help you balance out your imbalances, okay? So how do we get there? First of all, nail your regular squat. Learn how to find that neutral pelvis. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I'm gonna link up all the previous tutorials I've done for you. So nail your squat first. No Instagram booty. So give me a really good squat. Once you're confident with that, split squat is the way to go, as it's gonna help you learn how to load that front leg. So nice wide stance, upright position, rib cage zipped up. Woo! That's what's gonna happen if you're not fully engaged. You're gonna fall over. So just by having this wide stance, you're starting to work in the unilateral leg strength aspects now. So nail this, get really comfortable loading this front leg and stepping off of it. Third regression is the reverse lunge. So in a nice tall posture, you're gonna just get really comfortable in your reverse lunge and really be mindful about stepping off from the front leg, because that's what we're gonna need in the shrimp squat. So reverse lunge. Now, I think most of you guys have that. Now, here's where we start getting a little bit trickier. We're gonna go variation or regression number 4 is the reverse lunge with the shrimp action. So it looks like this, reverse lunge. And now, we're kind of in a little mini shrimp. Stand up using only the front leg. Woo! That right there is a really good one. Just incorporate into your lower body days, okay? So reverse lunge, using this leg only, stand up. That's really gonna help you get where you need to go. Now, step number 5 is to make your reverse lunge a little bit more narrow. So earlier I was stepping out quite a bit and then standing up. Step back just slightly so you're quite narrow here. Now focus your attention right here on this front leg and stand up. Right away your abs gotta be super tight, engaged, like someone is gonna come and sucker punch you. Get it tight, get it right, yeah. Whew. Once you can do all those variations, but if you're still having a hard time getting into the full shrimp, you can regress it even further by having a platform behind you, whether it's pillows, medicine ball, a bench, whatever you need, a step, and just shrimp onto that platform for me. So that way you don't have to go all the way down, but yet you're still gonna get the benefits of the core engagement, the ankle stability, the single leg strength. You're gonna feel your quads burning, your thighs, your hamstrings, and your glutes all at the same time. So once you've nailed that, you're ready to hit it. Put one arm in front of you for counterbalance. Tuck one leg in, shrimp it out. Now, the trick here is to not lean forward too much because you're gonna lose your balance, and not lean back too much. So you wanna be totally upright. Yes! And find a rep range that works for you. So seriously, for me, I'm probably maxing out at 5 max. And my right leg is really weak, so I would focus a lot of my attention on that weak leg to balance it out. So here's your challenge. This challenge is gonna require all up in here body weight skills. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine the pistol squat with the shrimp squat and do it as smoothly as possible. So check it out. Shrimp, transition, pistol. Shrimp. Oh man, I'm losing it already. And pistol. Yes. So my winches, give that a try. Woo, that is no joke. Make sure you do both legs. Find your weaker leg and do a few more reps on that to get it stronger. Thank you so much for being here with me. Make sure you drop a like for Mike, the editor. He makes these videos way more fun than I can alone. Check the description box for helpful links. If you like the way I train, make sure you check out the Lunge Way, my online program. I'll see you guys next time.